Good morning students. Today class we are going to learn about Geography Unit 2 Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. In the previous chapter you have learned about the landforms and drainage of our country which details with the natural environment. In this chapter you will learn about the climate, rainfall distribution, natural vegetation and wildlife of our country. Let us see about the factors affecting of the climate. First one latitude, second one altitude, third one distance from the sea, fourth one monsoon wind, fifth one relief features, sixth one jet streams. First we see about latitude. Latitudinally India lies between 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal halves. They are located to the south of Tropic of Cancer, experience high temperature and no severe cold season throughout the year, whereas the area are to the north of this parallel enjoy subtropical climate. Here, summer temperature may rise above the 40 degrees Celsius and it is close to the freezing point during winter. Next we see about second one altitude. When the altitude increase, the temperature decrease. When the altitude increase, the temperature decrease. Temperature decrease at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called normal lapse rate. It is called a normal lapse rate. Hence, place in the mountains are cooler than the place on the plains. That's why the places located at higher altitudes, even in South India, have cool climate. Ooty, severe other hill stations of South India and of the Himalayas range like Mussoorie, Simla, etc. located on the Great Plains. Next one we see about third one, distance from the sea. Distance from the sea does not causes only temperatures and pressure variations but also affected the amount of rainfall. A large area of India, especially the peninsular region, is not very far from the sea, and this entire area has a clear maritime influence on climate. This part of the country does not have a very clear marked winter and the temperature is equable almost throughout of the year. Let us see fourth one, monsoon winds. The most dominant factors which affected the climate of India is the monsoon winds. These are seasonal reversal winds and India remains in the influence of these winds for a considerable part of a year. Though the sun rays are vertical over the central part of India, during the mid-June, the summer season ends in the India by the end of May. We see fifth one, relief. Relief of India has a great bearing on the major elements of the climate such as a temperature, atmospheric pressure, direction of winds and the amount of rainfall. During the southwest monsoon, areas on the western slope of the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall. Last one, jet streams. Jet streams are the fast moving winds blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. The easterly jet streams cause tropical depressions both during the southwest monsoon and retiring monsoon. Let us see about monsoon. The word monsoon has been derived from a Arabic word mawsim, which means season. The southwest to northeast during summer and from the northeast to southwest during winter. We see about seasons. Winter or cold weather season, January to February. Free monsoon or summer or hot weather season, March to May. Southwest monsoon or rainy season, June to September. Northeast monsoon season, October to December. Let us see about winter or cold weather season. This only first one. During this period, the vertical rise of sun sun falls over the Tropic of Capricorn, which is far away from the India. Hence, India receives the slanting sun rays, which result in low temperature. During this season, a high temperature develops over North India and a northwesterly with the blows down the Indus and Ganga's valleys. Indus and Ganga valleys. In South India, the general direction of wind is from east to west. The general direction of wind is from east to west. These distributions causes of rainfall in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh and snowfall in the hills of Jammu and Kashmir. This rainfall is very useful for the cultivation of winter wheat. We see about next one is the pre-monsoon or summers or hot weather season. During this season, vertically rays of the sun falls over the peninsular India. Hence, there is a steady increase in temperature from the south to north. It is practically hot and dry in the entire country in the initial part of this season. They bring pre-monsoon showers to the west coast during the month of May. There are few thunder showers called mango showers, which helps in the quick ripening and mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. Nor'wester or Kalpaisagi are the local severe storms. We see about southwest monsoon or rainy season. The southwest monsoon is the most significant features of Indian climate. The monsoon is influenced by the global phenomena like El Nino. The sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India with lightning and thunder, it is termed as the break or the burst of monsoon. Overall, about the 75% of Indian rainfall is received from this monsoon. Next one we see about retreating or northeast monsoon season. The southwest monsoon begins to the retreats from the North India by the end of September due to the southward shifting pressure belts. The Coriolis force deflects this wind and makes it to blow from the northeast. Hence, it is known as the northeast monsoon or post-monsoon season. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and entire Karnataka receive good amount of rainfall accountable for the 35% of their annual total. Next one is the distribution of rainfall. The average annual rainfall of India is 118 centimeter. Spatial distribution of rainfall in the country is highly uneven. 11% of area receive over 200 centimeter. 21% area receive 125 to 200 centimeter. 37 area receive 75 to 125 centimeter. 24% area gets 35 to 75 centimeter. 7% area gets less than 35 centimeter.